Hi, I'm Ramgopal from presentationprocess.com. One of the common issues that presenters like us find is how to choose the right colors for our presentations. Today, I'll show you a free handy site that allows you to choose the right colors using deep learning AI technology. Let me show you how this site works. The site is called colormind.io. Of course, this is not a sponsored video. I just found this useful site and I'm sharing it with you. The first step here is to generate a random color palette. So let us click on generate and this gives you a lot of options. So keep clicking till you find something that you really like. Now this one seems to be a good one. Now in these 5 colors, I liked this one. So I'm going to click on this lock button. Now I want the AI to suggest more colors, keeping this as the core color. So let me click on generate. Now you see the same color is retained and different combinations are shown to me. Now in this, I liked this one, so I can click on this to lock it. Now at any point of time, if you want to select a color manually which has hues of this color, you can always click on this option here and you can see the hex code, and you can also go for the lighter color or the darker color of the same tone. Now since AI is there for us to help, why unnecessarily try something manually? So let me click on generate and we have another option. Now this is a much better hue that goes well with these colors. So let me click on this and then let me select some options for this. So generate, and I found this one pretty good and even this is good. So maybe if I see some other option, yeah, this is perfect. So clicked. Now we have a palette that works well in combination. We can use these codes, or I can take a screenshot of it by using Windows Shift S combination, and I'm going to just take this screenshot. Let me go here and click on this. Now I have these colors. Now to pick these colors onto these squares that I drew in PowerPoint, all I need to do is to select this, go to shape fill, use the eyedropper tool and click on this. Now that is taken. This shape fill, eyedropper, this. So now I can create my own color palette quite nicely that is built quite beautifully inside PowerPoint itself. It doesn't take more than a few seconds to do this. Now I don't need this at all. Now the beauty of this is whenever I select a shape and then go to shape fill, I can see that the color palette is available right here for me in recent colors. And that makes applying these colors quite a breeze in my presentations. So check out ColorMind and see how it can help you improve your color selection. If you want more hacks to help you create better PowerPoint slides, we have this course called Creative PowerPoint Slide Design and Animation course. The course gives you a ton of useful hacks that you can use in your next presentation, even if you are a beginner and don't have much confidence in your design skills. I will leave a link to this course in the description box below the video. Now that you've watched this video, the next natural video for you to watch is 3 ways to choose the right colors for your business presentations. It gives you a different approach to select colors for your presentations based on psychology. I will leave a link to this video right here on your screen right now. You click on the link, go to the video called 3 ways to choose the right colors for your business presentations, watch the video and learn something new today. I'll see you inside that video.